Hello. Today we will be installing Embassy Pages and showing you how to serve your own static website as a Tor hidden service. A static website is a website that is mainly focused on serving permanent information, like a business or product landing page or a personal resume. You can even use Embassy Pages to host a set of static folders and files for public viewing. Keep in mind that Tor will be required by anyone visiting your site. Before beginning, please ensure that you have the file browser service installed, as it is required for Embassy Pages. First, let's get a nice looking template to use for our site. There are many available online that are open and free to use. Today we'll use one from html5up.net. First we'll pick a site, download, extract the archive, and then it's a good idea to name this directory in a way that reflects your site. In this case, we'll just call it Hello World as an example. Then upload the directory to File Browser. Now let's install the Pages service. Open up your Embassy and go to the Marketplace, select Embassy Pages, and click Install. Once installed, you can find Embassy Pages in the Services tab. You may like to check out the instructions, which we'll be following today. Embassy OS will require you to do an initial configuration, so let's click Configure. The only thing we have to decide right away is what we want to serve from the root of our Embassy Pages service, the home page. By default, the home page will be a simple welcome page for Embassy Pages itself. Let's go ahead and leave that for now and just save everything as default. Now let's start the service and launch the home page. And there it is. Okay, back in the config, let's make some changes. We'll click on home page, type. Now we could change our home page to be something else, such as our Hello World site, or an index of all our subdomains, or a redirect, or even a simple page that tells a visitor to fuck off. Let's select this last option for the home page. Why not? As for our Hello World website, let's make that a subdomain. So I'm going to go back, click Subdomains, then add a subdomain by clicking the plus in the top right. Okay, let's give this subdomain a name. How about Hello? This is the name that will appear at the beginning of your site. For example, this one will be hello.myonionaddress.onion, where myOnionAddress is unique to your hidden service. Just like the home page, subdomains have options. In this case, the two options are web page and redirect. We're going to stick with web page. Now we need to tell Embassy Pages where to find the files for my Hello World website. Simply enter the directory path from File Browser. Keep in mind that if you have this buried deeper in File Browser than the home folder that we used here, you'll need to enter that path exactly. For our example, it's just Hello World, because that's the name of the folder and it's in our home directory in File Browser. Click Done. Click Back, then Back, then Back, then Save. Okay, so now we should have two things. First, our home page should be a simple website that tells the visitor to fuck off. So let's check. That seems to work. Now let's check our subdomain by typing hello dot at the beginning of our onion address. And there it is. Back in the embassy, when we click on properties, we can see a list of all our subdomains. Obviously, you will want to edit the page to show your content as opposed to the template, so let's go back to File Browser. Let's enter the Hello World directory, edit the home page by clicking Index, and we can edit a couple entries here, such as title and the main header. Click Save. Then go back to your page and refresh the page to update your changes. And that's it. You are now hosting your very own web page without having to ask permission or pay anyone for a domain, hosting, or administration. Pretty cool, huh? Thanks for watching.